So in this talk, I will discuss about delegation process in Kotlin. So actually delegation is a design pattern which allows us to hand off certain responsibilities to another object that is called delegate, and when delegate do his job, and whenever the job is done, the delegate send result back to the original object. So this is the process. So actually we achieve this using the interface, and what's the interface reality is that so that the conforming types, or the you can say the implementer, guaranteed about the delegated responsibilities that has been done. So let's say we have an interface which is called do print job, and this is the fun print info and method inside this, right? And there is a class that is implementer of this delegate, so we can say implementer, or either we can say the delegate class. So let's say that is implementer of implementer, or you can say for this particular is a printer that is doing the printing job. The class is a printer, and this conforms to this do print job interface, right? So if it does so, then it will ask to override print info function, and in this to do we will add a print statement, print ln, and inside that method we will say that I am a printer doing print job. Yes, and there is another class that is not a printer, that is a real object. So let's say there is a user class, and that user class has a val delegate, has its delegate which is the time of do print job, and because it conforms to do print job as well, and by this delegate, so we are delegated these responsibilities to its delegate do print job. So for this we need to override print job info, and the main point is that I want to delegate this responsibility to its delegate. So we'll say delegate dot print info, and in the main function, let's say I have an object of real user. User object is, let's say, the printer object. Printer have an object of user, the real object that is user, and it requires its delegate that is printer, so that every printing related job it will transfer, or every printing activity responsibility it will transfer to its printer. So user, now I want to print something, so I will say user dot print info, and when user says to print some info, then the responsibility is automatically transferred to its delegated object print info. So let's run that. You will see I am a printer doing the print job. So that's how the delegate works in Kotlin. So actually the delegation is the main responsibilities we define in the interface, and these responsibilities, there should be an implementer which is a delegate that will do the job on behalf of the real object, that is user. So whenever user gets any job that it understands that it is suitable to transfer this job to its delegate, then it will directly transfer to its delegate, which is printer. There could be any one could be delegate that conforms to a do print job. So we see there is a class printer. There could be some other object, like we can say there is a class info, display info that conforms to do print job, and so it will override print info function, and in that to do we can simply write print ln inside the string I am display info and doing my job. Change my job on behalf of a real object. Right, and then we can say like this: we have a val, and we are creating the display info object, which is equal to display info, and then we are saying that let new user, that should be a val new user, which is equal to user, that is real object, and at the time of creation we need to pass display info object, and now if you say new user dot print info, so the information is transferred to delegated. So let's run that and see. I am display info, just doing my job on behalf of the real object. So that's how the delegation process works in Kotlin. This is the delegation of classes.